Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share the preparation of sweet kaltappa with millet. It is a traditional breakfast of Mangalore region and usually prepared with rice. I tried it with millet. It is healthy and nutritious with the goodness of veggies and millet. Usually it is kids friendly and for those who have sweet tooth. Let us start with the recipe. Here I have taken 2 cups of barnyard millet, commonly called as Udalu in Kannada. It almost resembles little millet in color, shape and size. Only difference is it has a black dot on it. You can use any millet of your choice. Wash it thoroughly and soak it in water for 6 to 8 hours. Millet contains lots of fiber. By soaking, fiber absorbs water and helps for the better functioning of millet. So soaking is must for millet. At the same time, grate 1 cup of cucumber or ash gourd or bottle gourd. Here I have taken ash gourd. Ash gourd is one of the best alkaline food and balances all 3 doshas and has a special quality to improve intelligence. After 8 hours of soaking, transfer soaked millet into grinding jar. Add organic jaggery according to your taste. Add minimum water, that is millet soaked water, and grind it to form smooth paste. Here, because of jaggery, batter becomes thin, so while adding water you should be careful. The batter should be bit thick and I am grinding it in 2 batches. Batter should be like this and transfer it to a vessel. Now add grated ash gourd. Ash gourd is also watery vegetable. It contains more than 90% of water. Ash gourd is also rich with vitamin B, C and minerals like calcium, potassium, iron, phosphorus and is considered as positive vegetable and one of the best sattvic food. Pink Himalayan salt or sea salt for taste. Give a nice mix. Ash gourd is also called as winter melon or white gourd. It has antioxidant that helps in inhibiting gastric mucosal damage. So it is useful in treating acid refluxes and gastric ulcers. It also helps to nourish the worn out body parts. This is the perfect consistency of the batter. Here no fermentation is required. Now heat a thick bottom pan. Add 1 to 2 spoons of fresh desi ghee. Usually for sweet preparations, ghee is the best choice. If you don't want ghee, use any cold pressed oil of your choice. Pour almost half of the batter or 6 to 7 ladle full of batter and spread it like this. Cover the lid and cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, put it to simmer and cook for 10 minutes. Now drizzle little ghee and gently flip. Traditional method of making kaltappa is covering it with a plate of burning charcoal so it cooks both sides simultaneously. I don't have this facility, so we have to cook the other side after flipping it. Gently flip because jaggery added things it sticks easily. So we have to carefully flip the kaltappa. Barnyard millet is also alkaline food rich with protein, fiber and all essential vitamins and minerals. It is high in iron content, that is 18.6 milligrams per 100 grams and is a good source of iron for vegetarians. It helps for the proper functioning of endocrine glands, liver and bladder. Cook the other side for another 5 minutes on medium flame. Gently flip. Healthy and nutrition rich kaltappa is ready. Usually it does not require any side dish. If you want, you can serve it with chutney or sambar of your choice. You can see the soft and spongy texture inside and the brownish crispy layer outside. Friends, try this healthy recipe with your family and get the goodness of ash gourd and millet. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.